it's Natalia. Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Natalia. Today we are going to be making jalapeno popper dip with bacon. Okay, so today we are making 2 batches of this recipe, but I'm going to tell you the amounts for 1 batch, and that is why it looks like we have more in a bowl than needed, because we are making 2 batches, but I will tell you the ingredients for 1 batch. For our recipe today, to make 1 batch, you will need 1 large bowl, 1 spatula, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1½ cup of cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of bacon, and 1/2 cup of jalapeños, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. The first step to making your dip is to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So next we are going to take our cream cheese and our mayonnaise and put them in this bowl, and then I'm substituting the spatula for an electric mixer. Now I am going to mix the mixture until smooth. Now that we got our oven preheated to 400 degrees, we are going to take our cheddar cheese, our bacon, and jalapenos and add them to our bowl that includes the cream cheese and the mayonnaise. Okay, so first we're going to add our cheddar cheese, and then our bacon, and then our jalapenos, and then we are going to stir thoroughly for 1 minute. Baking dish, and we coated it with cooking spray, and your baking dish needs to be big enough to hold 3 cups for 1 batch. Now I'm going to pour my mixture into the coated baking dish and smooth it out for the first layer. Now that I've got my mixture poured into my baking dish, I'm going to flatten it out . Mixture aside and add our melted butter, our Parmesan cheese, and our panko breadcrumbs into a bowl. I'm going to add the dry ingredients first. Now we are going to mix everything together. Now we are going to take our breadcrumb mixture and sprinkle it on top of the cream cheese mixture. to smooth out my breadcrumb mixture and make it flat, make it a flat second layer. Okay, now it's ready for baking. So now I'm going to put our dish in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And then we are going to start our timer for 10 minutes. Oops. Oops. Timer 1, and then you do 10 minutes. Okay, so now our dip is done, and it smells really, really good, and it's crispy brown on the top, and I can't wait for our party to taste it.
Let's sit up.